All right, welcome to TechVev Backend Engineering with Node.js. Before we start uh, Node.js API, we need to prepare our development environment. And in this module, we would install Node.js, npm, and Visual Studio Code. So I have my Node.js installed already. So you could go to nodejs.org, then you come here, you install it, you install the Windows installer. So you install it the same way you install other softwares. Then the next thing is to go to your Visual Studio Code. So you could go to your Visual Studio Code. So I already have it downloaded, about to be installed. So I already installed the Node.js. So to confirm that your Node.js is actually installed, you could open your terminal. Then you could press node version. So you wait a bit. So you can see that we are using version 25.0.0. So that's the version of Node that we are currently making use of. And the next thing is Visual Studio Code. So I already have mine installed. So let me go through this process of fully setting it up. So I accept the agreement, then create a desktop icon here. So I'll have mine installed. So those are the three, or let's just call it two, most important things you need to get up and running with building our Node.js APIs. So to follow along with this class, we would be creating a folder that would serve us until things start getting a little bit simple and not complex. So let's wait until download finish. All right. Yeah, we have successfully downloaded, not downloaded, but set up. So VS Code is up and running. So I can remove this, let me cancel this, don't save. So in order to organize things in our Visual Studio Code, you need to create a new folder. So you could come to this file, then open a new folder. So you could come here, you could go to something like a desktop, right? Then you right click, and you create a new folder. So you could call it TechVev, TechVav node, so that we can organize our folders and files. So now the next thing you need to create is you will come here and create a file. So let's call it index.js. Remember, this is a JavaScript framework, runtime library. Sorry, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime library. So now to test that this is actually working, so add some JavaScript code so that we can see if we have our results. So we can console log. Let me try console logging out. Console log. I am happy to be taking this class. So we have this. So I'm happy to be taking this class. So if I run this code, I think I need to make some changes so that I don't have to be pressing Ctrl S every time. So I need to go to settings and then go to format and save and auto save after delay. So I don't want to be pressing Ctrl S each time. So I'll come here, Ctrl J, then I open my terminal, then I list. Let me check the files that are there. So I have my index.js, then I say node. So node is what we actually installed. So it's what will be running our JavaScript files. So node index.what.js. So can you see that? Meaning that our Node.js is actually working. So now your development environment is now what installed, configured, and ready. Now in the next module, we would break down what Node.js is internally, and how most of the core modules work and why it is used for building high performance APIs and a lot of things. So see you in the next module.